this is a video to show you how to set up your vehicle GPS. Actually, it's a GPS device you can use for anything. So this is the package. It comes in, you open it up, charge it for the first time, let's say, I don't know, 3-4 hours. And this is what it looks like. Simple as that. You see an ID in the back. And what you have to do is that once you've charged it, you have to open it up from the back where it's written right here, fashion. So let's go ahead and do that. Sorry, I'm only working with one hand here. And you have a SIM card. It's a micro SIM. You open it up over here. There you go, face down. So that's the way right here. Simple as that. And then close it up. There you go. Switch it on, button over here. Press for 3 seconds, I guess. So let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. I guess that means it's on. Obviously put the cover back. Then you have to go to your iTunes store or your Android app store and search for Y Tracker. That's yitracker.apk or Y Tracker app. Once you've installed the Y Tracker app, like I've done over here, let's go back actually. So that's what it looks like. Y Tracker. Click it. It comes like that. And then you have to input the top here where there's a computer symbol, www.gps18.com, and then the license plate is the ID that you find in the back here. So this one is whatever it is. I'll input it. And then the default password is 123456. Once you get into the device, into the app, you can change the password. So 123456, and then you log in. Make sure that you do have airtime or more importantly data in the SIM card of yours that you've input into the GPS device. Airtime is basically because you want to secretly monitor the device, meaning let's say it's in your vehicle and you want to call the device and listen in to whoever is on the other line where the tracker is, maybe your driver, maybe your wife, maybe your girlfriend, whatever, because you can hide the device without them ever knowing. I mean, the battery lasts up to 1 month and it charges with like your normal phone. You only need to charge it like 4 or 5 hours a month, and then you can call in and listen into what's going on. So there you go, that's what the interface looks like. So it's obviously very straightforward. So let's go to real time. And that's where I am right now. Then obviously the settings, and you can go ahead and change everything you want to change. Now, very important. See, it's so simple. After sales, you have to email Safety First Watch. So that's safety, SAFETY, first, FIRST, watch, safetyfirstwatch@gmail.com. If you have any questions, you can always email them and they will respond to you immediately. Well, within a reasonable time, within 6 hours, let's say about that, okay? So there's change of password, device info, remote shutdown, vibrator, demolition, language and time zone. Voice monitoring is when you want the device to call you back, or you can call the device just like a normal phone, and then you can listen in. And admin number, which is the principal number, who's principal person that's monitoring the device, and working mode, I guess, how often you want to track it. Okay, now very important also, this device will only update or refresh the tracking while it's moving. So if it's stuck in a particular place, you're going to see the time zone written maybe even 5 hours before, because the product has not moved. Once it moves, then it starts obviously monitoring, and you'll be able to track it on your real-time tracking portion of the app. So if the car is parked somewhere, it's not going to refresh. If you do want to refresh, then you basically on the top right hand corner there, you can do refresh, and it might refresh, but only when it starts moving is when it starts, obviously, because you don't want to chow the data, right? Historical is really cool. You can put in the date to what day, whatever, and it shows you the route that the device has taken, kilometers and everything. It's really cool. Geofence, everything else is just standard stuff. Now, another thing that's very important is that if you do, this is to track one particular device. Now, if you do buy more than one device, meaning 2 to 10 to 100, then you have to log in by username and log in by username, right? Now this, only the factory can give us. So if you do end up buying more than one device, or you want to monitor via your PC, please do email that address and they will give you step-by-step instructions of how to do it and to register your username and your password, and then you can input in many devices so you can track any device you want at any given time. All right, I think that's it. Again, if you have any questions, safetyfirstwatch@gmail.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.